Hey, this is Parker Marlow with Marlow Landscape Services. Just wanted to show off a fence that we got done building. The fence turned out absolutely gorgeous. On this fence we did the arches. We can do arches up, we can do arches down. We can do the regular pickets with just the dog ears, or we can do a cap, whatever you want. It's up to you. We can do that. We can also do posts or cover caps on the posts like we did here. But overall, I think this fence turned out really nice. It's a incredibly solid fence. I just want to point out a few things on the fence that we really focus on. Our attention to detail is something that we really hit home with Marlow Landscape Services. But these posts are so solid. We use 6x6 posts on the corners and on the gate. So let's take a look at this gate. This post here is, I mean, you could run a truck into that, and that thing is not moving. Our attention to detail is something that we focus on. The hardware on this gate is super high quality. We only use high quality material. These 1x6s, very high quality. The 6x6s, number 2 boards, absolutely gorgeous. The hardware here, gorgeous hardware. The hinges on the gate itself, we use 3 hinges. We do a lot of maintenance in our area. Never do we see 3 hinges. We always see 2 hinges, but we want to make sure that this gate never comes out of square. Our goal is to make sure that the customer's investment lasts as long as possible. We understand that our clients are investing a lot of money, and that's great, and we want them to get the most bang for their buck as possible. We really want to respect that investment, and the way that we do that is by overbuilding our gates and making sure that this gate is going to never come out of square and is never going to sag. If you've got a gate that is sagging, that is coming out of square, give us a ring, because we can rebuild it to make it absolutely beautiful. We can make it like this gate, and to where it's never going to go to square. This gate's going to be here for years. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. We've seen gates that were 2 and 3 months old, and they're already out of square. It's ridiculous. So anyway, give us a ring, give us a call, 404-723-9969. We'll be more than happy to chat with you about getting a new fence up, whether you've got an existing fence that needs to get changed out, or you just want to put in a new fence. We're ready to go. Give us a call. Thank you so much.